Are you tired of your edges lifting?
Honey,
Tired.
yes, sis.
Tired.
You know?
I'm trying to avoid lifts, sis. What about you, sis?
Girl.
We on a quest, and we want to find out the best edge control out there.
The best.
Stay tuned for this edge control review, featuring Jazz of Peace of Mind.
Throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti. Renee Moore. Yeah, Renee Moore.
Hey Poos, thanks for tuning in. Grenade Mar here. I'm back spreading this black girl magic with Jazz of Peace of Mind. Don't hesitate to subscribe to her lifestyle channel, which consists of group talks relevant to black millennials. Hey!
Hey, y'all.
Girl, tell them why you here.
Sis, I am here so we can test out some well-known edge controls.
So we'll be dividing our hair up into fours. Me and Jasmine. My hair is 3C, 4A. And Jasmine?
I'm a 4C.
What's your favorite edge control? If you're new here, thanks for watching. Subscribe weekly every Sunday for more content. Gorilla Snot.
It's very snotty.
It is very snotty. Look at that.
So I would say this one is definitely a little messy.
Definitely messy. Oh, it smells like
It smells
perfume.
so good though.
It does. Ugh, I got some on my lip. It don't taste good.
So we're gonna put some edge control right here. Really right here. Okay, let's swoop it. I'm gonna swoop mine. Just to see. Alrighty.
I kind of started right here. Should have started over here, but it's gonna be okay.
It is gonna be alright. A little obviously goes a long way because we did just share that. It feels like it's grabbing everything. It feels I don't even feel like I feel like it applies soft.
Yeah.
And with it applying soft, it's also keeping the hold on my hair, which is different.
I feel like once it dries, it'll stay in place. I feel like it leaves a film.
Look at those. Let's get a close up. Close up, souls.
My hair is like starting to curl up a little bit.
The next one we'll be comparing is Hicks. It smells like medicine, like that,
That great medicine.
yeah. It's clear. Ooh, this is about to get my head just because I'm just so used to it. The texture is very slimy and wet as well. Let's see how it'll dry. Sis, did you just see that?
Let me see.
Shook.
Look at that. That left a sheen. You know what I'm saying? Let me do these little sidebars real quick. You know what I'm saying?
And boom, all I needed was the edge control, sis.
I know. I really like the Hicks.
I do too. Usually I don't put this much, and it usually does not hold it. It doesn't usually hold like this. So I'm actually kind of surprised. I usually just do my edges, but I actually, did a whole head. So I'm surprised. But the only thing is that Hicks will always curl. So sometimes I would have to use not only Hicks, but I would have to also use a foam in order for it to stay. What does it smell like? Beauty Castle? It smells good, like cucumbers or like a...
Yeah, it's got a fresh scent to it.
Remember in Bath and Body Works, they had that cucumber melon?
Ooh,
That's what it smelled
what
like.
It does smell like.
More like a waxier edge control, not like a Gorilla Snot where it's loose and moist and snotty. This is like a hold for real.
I think I'm gonna go on this side. Swoopy doo. Get my edge control right now. Let me see. I don't know how I feel about. Look at that white stuff. Let's see.
But I mean, look Look at that. That just repositioned your whole ponytail. Like, this, look at this. No scar. Do you hear me? This?
I thought it was a little bit more like on the snottier side.
You think
see that?
so? It reminds me of like a conditioner. Let's see what it's gonna do. Look at that. What you think? What do you think how it looks?
One isn't gonna hold as well as the others.
Yeah, I don't think
It's
that.
more oily.
Yeah, I agree. I feel like this one is not. The Murray's EDGEWAX is not. It's not. It's like a. It's like a grease.
Yeah.
It feels very greasy.
So I'm gonna just go in the middle right here. We already seen right there, right here. We're gonna go right here. You know, it's just greasy, you know. I don't like greasy edge controls, you know. It's a no.
It's a
It's a
no
no
for
for
you.
me.
All right. So out of all of the ones that we have tried out today, which one would you say is your favorite?
Well, can I say two favorites?
Of course.
I would choose out of all of them, but this one is good too. However, I feel like it does leave a residue.
Please pick TBC first
Mm.
and Hicks second. I feel like TBC is perfect for like when it's hot outside. You know, it's not, your hair is not gonna move. Now you might, you know, there might be a little white residue, but your hair's not gonna move. The Hicks, I feel like it would be perfect for like the winter time. You don't have to worry about the heat because this is, it applies a little, the texture is a little bit more jellier. And this is more of a hard hold. So hard hold, jellier. So I could do, you know, the jelly in the winter time and then a hard hold to keep my stuff straight in the summer. Which ones have you tried?
The best edge control review.
Thank you for tuning in to another bomb video. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday. I'll also be throwing bomb beauty tips on my social media at grenade_mar.
And for more information on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Peace of Mind with 2 E's and an underscore at the end.
We see you, girl, and I'll see you next video. May your day be as bomb as you are. Oh my gosh, are we blurry? Okay, we better. Because, you know, my head ain't that big, but
I need to look at the camera. I keep looking at this. Like,
I know.
you should move that.